I'm going to be doing a series of videos talking about interviews. And I think it's really important for you as candidates to understand what you might expect during those interviews. So we're going to first talk about functional expertise. And a big part of that will be your technical skills. So depending on the role that you want, there may be a great interest in your technical skills. So as an example, if you are a software developer, that would be crucial to the role to understand your experience and expertise. So what type of questions might you be asked so that the interviewer can figure out the breadth and the depth of your expertise in a technical area? So it could be that they're going to ask you some questions really to get at some of the projects you've done. As an example, if you were in marketing, they may want to know about how you use Google Analytics in your projects, and therefore they will ask you to give an example of that. They also may ask hypothetical questions. So they may give you a scenario and ask how you would work through that. That way they can see your thinking skills and how you would use those technical abilities in solving the problem. They also could ask you something as simple as rate yourself. While that's not really terribly effective, some interviewers may use that to try to gauge where you are or you assess your skills in that particular area. Now, many employers will dig a little bit deeper, and often they will have testing as part of the interview process. So you may experience testing in a sort of many different ways. So it could be that you will be asked to take a computer test. So as an example, if Excel is an important part of the work that you do, they may test your Excel skills to see what level you are. You also may be given a scenario, and then you're asked to do something as a result. That may be put a table together or solve a problem. So as an example, if you're an accountant and they're asking you something about debits and credits, you might be asked to do something perhaps on a spreadsheet to show your knowledge. You also could be given a scenario and asked to go through the scenario, what the problem is, and come up with a solution and show your work. So companies do many different ways in terms of trying to ascertain your technical skills. But be sure, if you have a job or are looking for a job that is demanding that you have proficiency in some areas, they're definitely going to ask about it.